I'm so excited for another Kawaii Slime Company find. Again, packaging on point. So this is their packaging for a single product. You can see absolutely gorgeous. I love the print inside. And once again, we get the super cute hearts and stars, colorful packing peanuts. Love that. And look at this slime. This is the strawberry milk slime. I love this container. As always, it also comes with activator and softener. This is the strawberry milk slime. I love this container. Ooh, there's something in it. Ooh, there's a couple things. What is this? Oh, there's strawberries. This is the strawberry milk slime by Kawaii Slime Company. Very nice texture. Great stretch. Look at that. Already has the mix-ins in it. Super cute packaging. And it really smells like strawberry milk. I'm going to tag this down below. I love everything from Kawaii Slime Company. Go check it out.